Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you claim and buy your token, your Pixfi token on your Bybit account? Well, it's really simple. You can basically just deposit or buy crypto. So once you click on, since we're buying, okay, since we're claiming, basically what you need to do is on the buy section here, there's a bunch of options here, whether you want it to be a bank transferred, card transferred. We have Google Pay, coin.ph. Since it's crypto, it certainly has its price, but you get the idea. You just basically add it to cart. This is USTD, the crypto that you want. Just search it here, whichever crypto you want, and yeah, just basically that's it. All you have to do is to buy one of these crypto that are available here, and you could also add card, whichever card is. You could use Gcash, PayPal, in order for you to buy these type of things. So that's just basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.